Hi, this is Abid San Malik from Abid Financials, and today we are going to start Level 3 Xero Specialist Certification Assessment exam. I shall show you the live demo of exam, how you can take your assessment, and your waiting time is over, and I am going to start this one. I shall hit this button, resume, and this is a window of start assessment. I shall hit this button resume, and now it says that you need to set up global company and expense purchases, and you should this assessment would contain 25 questions and need to solve in 90 minutes. You must answer 20 out of 25 questions correctly to achieve the 80% passing marks. So I shall start this one, and now I have limit of 2 hours. This time is started here, so I need to give this exam. So this is question number one. You have registered a single asset for 20 office chairs. What would the recommended best practice approach to adding asset to be enable you to dispose of individual chairs in the future easily? So these are the four options. Create a new negative fixed asset when you dispose of a chair, but leave the original asset in the register. Delete the original asset and re-enter the remaining office shares, and change the purchase price and assets name on the existing asset. Delete the original assets and re-enter individual assets for each office share. So I think so. The correct answer is delete the original assets and re-enter the individual assets for each office share. So this is delete the original assets, re-enter the remaining office shares as re-enter individual assets for each office shares. So this is the correct answer. I shall correct this one. And what is the difference between office equipment balance sheet and assets register amount? So this is question number 2. After registering all assets correctly, running the fixed asset reconciliation report, and then now we shall have this balance, and these are four balance 1024 0 300 and 2000. I shall select the 0. This is correct answer, and now hit this button next. Now question number 3. This is relevant to track inventory. What is average cost to track inventory item? T-shirt, extra large black. So these are four options: 19.5, 17.5, and 24.5. So I have checked the workbook and the 0, and I found the correct answer, that is 17.5, because after the supplier bill with 25% discount on 10 units, standard cost from remaining units. So this is the balance. I shall click next button. Now this is question number 4, and here this is relevant to track inventory. And what is closing balance on all track inventory items? So I need to check this one. These are four options: 1755, 955, 12100, and 1095. So I think 1095 is correct answer, and now I shall hit this button next. What is the profit for track inventory item TSXL black? Question number 5. And these are four options: 85, 0, 59, and 105. Question number 5, and the balance is 0, because sales and cost were match, and profit shows a 0 on the report of adjustment and sales. So the correct option is 0. So hit this button next. What are the you owe and they owe balance once merged? So these are four options here. Question number 6. And 0 and 450, 525 and 0, 22, 225 and 486, 97 and 231. When the two balances are merged, only one balance is exists at your balance sheet. So a correct option may be from this one. So I think so. The correct option is 525 here, and hit this button next. Now the question number 7. This is relevant to remaining credit limit. And how much of their credit limit do they have remaining? So these are for option and the correct marine system credit limit set to 750, and new invoice pushes it to and over the limit. So the correct balance would be the 0. Hit the next. Question number 8. How many waiting payment customer invoices are there? So this is question number 8, and these are the four options: 5, 23, 12 and 19. The correct option is 12. Next. What is total value of awaiting payment customer invoices? These are for balance sheet 8778.35, 7540.65, 9669.25 and 11200. And I think so the correct balance is 966.24. Question number 10. Select all customers who have paid more than 1100 in the last years. So context more than 1100, select all that apply. So the first one is Bayside Club, next one is City Luminous, and third one is Ridgeway. So these are the three customers. Next, how much is the total to be paid? This is question number 11. These are four options: 305, 1902, 1000 and 1259. 1259 is correct answer. I think so. And hit this button next. This is question number 12. What is value of 400 advertising for approved and paid expenses? Claims for option 25, 624, 549, 275. These are four options and 12 question number. And I think so correct option is 549.99. Next, what is total value of chargeable expense claims? 275, 280, 203, 310. And correct option is 203.1. Next, what is total value of non-chargeable expense claims? 302, 752, 1254, 1417. The correct option is 1417.2. Question 15. What is time expense percentage of project estimate? This is question is relevant to time and expense percentage of estimate. So these are four options: 16.43, 12.35, 39.47 and 22.45. So correct option is 16.43. Next, what is the to be invoiced value? 1040, 1560, 500, 2025. So this is 16, and correct option is 1560. What is unrealized currency gain and loss if the invoice was paid today? So 10.55, 6.45, 1.35, 9.25. So correct option is 9.25. Question 18. What is unrealized currency gain or loss if the bill was paid today? So these are for option 10.05, 16.21, 5.23, 7.94. The correct option is 16.21. Question 19. What is USD value of GPB business bank account on today dates? These are the four options. The correct option is 225. Question 20. What is realized currency gain or loss on this one? So correct option is 0.79. Next. What is variance and variance percentage of sales for the period? So these are four options. The correct option is 1436.32, that is 41%. Next. Now question number 22. What is variance and variance percentage of advertising for the period? So these are the four options and the correct option is 149.99, 37.5%. Next question is question 23, relevant to entertainment variance, and these are four options, and the correct option is 109.58, and that is 21.92%. This is question number 24 and relevant to travel and international variance. So the correct option is 542.11. Next, that is question number 25. This is relevant to travel national for the period, and the correct option is 69.01, and this is 29.91 percentage. And I have selected 69, and next, and all these questions are for review purposes, and now we can submit this one. These are 56% correct answer. Okay, close this one.